All right, so in this tutorial, I want to um, talk about how to schedule your posts. Now, most fashion designers, one of the issues we face is the time factor. Like, we barely have time to stamp our jobs, we barely have time to post, we even forget to make posts on a daily basis because of the fact that we are busy sewing or working. So in this tutorial, I want to teach you guys how to schedule the post. You can use one day to schedule a week post, meaning that you don't need to be online for the post to come up on your page, right? And it must be on the page, right? And it's also possible on a profile. So if you want to learn how to schedule your post, kindly watch this video to the very end and make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So now let's get to the next video proper. For you to make a post schedule, you must have known what to post, like on a Monday, on a Tuesday, on a Wednesday, on a Thursday, on a Friday, even Saturdays and Sundays. So I'll be teaching this tutorial on two segments for you that might have known or have what to post already, and for some persons that will still need assistance to create or get content ideas from, right? So if you already know what to post, you have pictures, you are good in write-ups, you don't have a problem. I will show you how to how to do the scheduling. But if you don't know what to post, but you have pictures, so I will also teach you in this video how to get topics or write-ups that will match your pictures. So let's see it immediately. So now, if you want to do your post, right, you come to business suits here, business suits, and this is my page. So you click on the plus sign and you click on post. Of course, you go ahead, to select your photo or your video. So let's assume that I want to post some of my jobs. So let's just pick this as what I want to post. And here I have selected what I want to post. And then I will edit. If you want to edit, the editing will help your work to come out nicely if you really have a need for it. So if you don't want to edit, you press on done, and then here they said write something. Now this write something is the title that will convey the picture you are posting. So if you have a write-up, you can write it there. If you don't have, you come to this app called ChatGPT, click on it. You can now say, ask the ChatGPT, give me a title for a Facebook page status update with a green monogrammed senator. That's the detail of the outfit that you are posting, right? Then by Mr. You put your brand name, then you click on search. Now it will give you a title that will go very well. Now, elegance redefined, the green monogram senator by Mr. Redefined. So now, if it's not enough, you can write more. Can write more. Yeah, you can write more. So this might be, or let's just say, okay, let's edit this. Copy. Let's go. Give me a title or give me a status update. Yeah, let's use status updates for a Facebook page. Yeah, status update is better off. It will give you a very detailed description of the post. So here he said elevate your style with a green monogram senator by defined clothing. So you see how it gave you this. Then you click on copy, right? You copy, then come to that place and then you paste it. So you have gotten a very nice description, right? Then you click on next. Now if you see here they wrote on publish now, and you have save as a draft and schedule for letter. So you come here and schedule for letter. So here is where you make the proper scheduling. So if you want to post it today, you take the time you want to post, you click on this time, the clock will come out, you select the timing you want, and then if you want tomorrow, click on this place, and then you click on next, you click on the next date which starts here, that's tomorrow. So tomorrow is when I want this to appear on my page. Then you check the time you want it to appear. So I want to appear on 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. So you make sure you select both the time seconds and the duration, right? They click on OK. So here it said tomorrow morning 7 a.m. it will come. So you click on your schedule. So once I've clicked on schedule, then you click on schedule here. It may take a few minutes to schedule your post. So this will take some seconds, to upload. So once it has uploaded, you are going to get a notification and the post scheduled, right? You can see it here, right? Post scheduled. So here you said you have one scheduled post. It will be published March 30th, that's tomorrow by 7 a.m. So if you still want to post for Tuesday, you still go to the same place and still select your page, pick up your picture or your video you want to post. So let's assume I'm posting this now, then you click on next. Now you get the title as well. So this place can also give you titles that you desire for. So give me a description, or let's see, use that status update. Give me a status update for an Ash senator. Make the status, make the write up to be simple, catchy, and motivating, right? Motivating. So you just search for it, so it gives you a title as well. So here you copy as well, and then go to the same place, click on paste as well, and then you click on next. You still go to schedule for letter, right? And then pick the third day, that's Tuesday, that's the last day of this month. That's depends on what you want to have. So this is Tuesday, on Monday, right? Tomorrow is Sunday, right? On Monday, right? Then 7 a.m. as well. You can pick any time of your choice. Always make sure you pick the AM or PM option. So posts are mostly good in the morning. You can make 2 posts in a day or 3 in a day. Then you click on schedule, and then you click on schedule. So here it may take a few seconds to update, right? So here you check as well. This thing will come out to have post is scheduled, right? So look at it. So you can now see more, right? So these are the posts I have scheduled. So all the posts you schedule will now come here, and then this is how it will be, right? So this is how the simplest way you can use to schedule new posts. So now when you have done this, you don't need to be online anymore for this to drop, because it has taken the uploading effect. It's just the timing now that it needs for it to drop. So you see that this is very, very, very good, that you can schedule posts as many as you want. You can even use one Sunday, schedule the post for a week or even for a month, and to keep on dropping, right? So this is the simplest way you can schedule posts. So you no longer have issues on how to make posts on your page and everything. So you can still pick up a black senator or whatever you have, still we'll get a write-up on it, just whatever you wanna write, you can get a write-up on it. This is just this is it. So this is limited to black, so you get a write-up on it, and you also read through, and then you have everything next, then schedule for later, and then you can now pick April 1st, which on Tuesday, and then pick the timing, whatever time you want to pick, you pick the timing, and you schedule, right? So this is how you schedule posts. So if peradventure you want to edit your schedule post, maybe there's one you scheduled and you don't want it anymore, so you can still come and edit it on the stuff. So you can just click here, see more, and that particular one, maybe this whole last one now, if you want to remove it, you can click on it, and then you can now, there's an option of reschedule posts. You can as well delete it if you don't want to go about it. So this is how you get your posts to be scheduled. So I do hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. See you guys on the next one. Bye bye for now.